I want to talk to you guys about the perfect partner for the portable changing pad. Guess what, guys? It's an electric portable butt washer specifically designed for kids ages 0 to 3. We can't wash our babies on the go after they've soiled their diapers. This travel washer allows you to do that. It comes with a 200 milliliter water bottle. You can fill it up with warm water to wash the babies to keep them clean and fresh and get rid of any diaper rashes. Let's talk about the state-of-the-art design. So not only do you get the water bottle, it does come with the cap attached, so you can easily fill it up and throw it in your diaper bag, in your purse, in your pockets. Now you can fill this back up when you are ready, or it does fit standard water bottles. So the travel changing pad partner has 14 holes to give babies the comforting shower feel. You simply unscrew the top, put this on, and then you can press the button. There are 2 different modes on here. So the button is right here. You press it once for the low power, press it twice for the high power, press it the 3rd time, and it shuts off. It does have a safeguard on here so that when it runs out of water, it will automatically turn off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 2 different modes. Are you ready? So I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and press it once and then press it the 2nd time so that you can see the difference, okay? This is 1, and here's 2. That is a powerful stream. Now that you know a little bit more about the product, I wanna show you some of the versatile ways of how we use it. Remember how I said it was so compact? Guess what, guys? I have it in my pockets. You wouldn't even know had I not told you. All right, so she has her apple. Take the top off, screw it on. You ready? Okay, you press that button. Look at how far that goes. All right, let's rinse your apple. Let's rinse it. Yeah. All right, here you go. And if you need to turn it up a notch, there's also the high, so you press it one more time.
You can use this for washing your baby's butt after the toilet. You can also use it for hands, for feet, for toys, washing food. So we did her apple after it dropped on the ground. Right now, the slippers that she had been wearing, she got all muddy, or maybe even some dog poop. I'm not really sure with our backyard. But you know what? This works. And more interesting uses are waiting for you to discover. Using the Insolife handheld portable washer is cleaner than just using toilet paper, and that reduces 80% of more wipes. It's also better for your wallet and the planet. It takes just an hour and a half to charge through the USB and gives you about 60 single uses. This is the perfect gift for any new baby boys, new girls, infants, toddlers. It is made from 100% BPA-free materials that is absolutely safe to use. It's also protected by a 30-day guarantee, so you're sure to get the best portable butt washer for your baby.